is truly the most dangerous and death-defying maneuver in the globe of death. These four motorcycles will now be coming just inches apart. Please keep in mind to accomplish a maneuver